Hello student, in today's lecture we discuss b- binomial distribution. So first point is Bernoulli experiment leads to binomial experiment. Let a Bernoulli trial be performed for n number of times in which the probability of success p in any trial remains constant. For each trial then Q is equal to 1 minus P is the probability of failure in any trial. Let X denotes number of success and consequently n minus X denotes failures in n dependent trials. Then outcomes in n trials will be a sequence of P's and Q's in which P occurs for X times and Q occurs for n minus X times. As X successes in n trials can occur in NCX ways and the probability for each these ways is P raised to X, Q raised to n minus X, and the probability of X success in n trials is given by the expression NCX P raised to X Q raised to n minus X. Next, definition. Let X is a discrete random variable which denotes number of successes in an independent Bernoulli trials taking possible values 0, 1, 2, so on up to n. Then P of capital X is equal to small x which is equal to P of X which is also equal to NCX P raised to X Q raised to n minus X. X is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to n. 0 P lies between 0 and 1 and Q is equal to 1 minus P which is also equal to 0 otherwise. Symbolically, the Bernoulli's X distribution is denoted as X related to B of NP. To denote the random variable X follows binomial distribution with parameters n and p. Physical conditions for the occurrence of binomial distribution. First condition, the result of each trial is classified into one of two disjoint categories, say successful and failure. Second, the probability of success P is constant for each trial. Third, the trial result independently. Fourth, the number of trials n is finite. Next is the nature of the probability distribution. The nature of probability distribution of binomial distribution is positively skewed when p less than 0.5, symmetric when p is equal to 0.5, and is negatively skewed when p greater than 0.5 for any n. Next, the graph of probability distribution of binomial distribution for n is equal to 10 and p is equal to 0.2 is this, and for p is equal to 0.5 and p is equal to 0.8. The graph for n is equal to 10 and p is equal to 0.2. For this, n is equal to 10 and p is equal to 0.8 is, and for n is equal to 10 p is equal to 0.8. This is for p is equal to 0.5. So this is the graph. Next, remarks. First remark is summation p of x running from 0 to n, which is equal to summation ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x running from 0 to n, which is also equal to in bracket q plus p raised to n, which is equal to 1. Second, the binomial distribution can be applied if the sample is drawn with replacement And third, if X is related to B of NP, where X denotes number of success in N trials, then N minus X, number of failures in N trials, follows B of NQ distribution.